Are you ready to make a stunning business card that truly represents your photography brand? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through designing a professional photography business card from scratch in Photoshop. By the end, you'll have a print-ready card that not only looks beautiful but also feels uniquely yours. Perfect for handing out at shoots, networking events, or anywhere opportunity strikes. Let's jump right in and get your design started. First things first, we'll set up your document. In Photoshop, go up to File and select New. For business cards in the US, the standard dimensions are 3.5 inches wide by 2 inches tall. Make sure you type these in accurately. Remember, small details matter when it comes to print. Next, switch the resolution to 300 pixels per inch. That's the magic number for crisp, professional print quality, and anything lower can leave your card looking blurry or pixelated. Now, go to the color mode and select CMYK color instead of RGB. CMYK is what printers use, so this step ensures your colors will look just as you designed them once the card is printed. And don't forget about the back. Go ahead and create a second artboard or duplicate your document with exactly the same size and resolution. This gives you space to add details or extra branding on both sides of your card. With your canvas set up, it's time to add all the design elements and branding that make your card stand out. Start by bringing in your logo using File, Place Embedded. Drag and resize it with Edit, Free Transform. You want it to be visible but not overwhelming, so take a moment to position it thoughtfully. If you're planning to feature a photo, place it in a designated area. Choose a high-resolution image that really captures your style as a photographer. Think of this as your visual handshake to anyone who sees your card. Want to get creative? Layer on some of Photoshop's adjustment layers to tweak brightness, contrast, or add a subtle tint, helping your image mesh perfectly with the rest of the design. Now, let's use the shape tools. The ellipse and rectangle tools are great for creating clean backgrounds, borders, or accent graphics. The pen tool is a bit more advanced, but perfect for creating custom shapes or elegant lines. Add strokes, outlines, where needed to give definition and balance. Play around with your color scheme, keeping your brand's vibe in mind. Maybe you're a bold, vibrant photographer, or perhaps you prefer sleek, minimal tones. Either way, use gradients or solid colors to set the right mood. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can always undo if something doesn't feel right. Moving on, let's make sure your card includes all the essential information. Grab the horizontal type tool. It's just the T on the sidebar. Add your name, title, phone number, email, and website. When choosing your font, readability is key. Strong, clean typefaces work best at small sizes. Adjust the size and play with weight or color to highlight what's important, like your name or the way to reach you. If you have active social media handles and they're consistent across platforms, position them neatly for extra credibility. And for a modern touch, generate a QR code that links straight to your online portfolio or contact page. You can make it pop by placing it inside a small white square with the rectangle tool. This helps it stand out against colored backgrounds. Almost done. Before sending your design off to the printer, there are some important finishing touches. Add guides by going to View, New Guide Layout, or create them manually. You want to mark out the bleed area, that's a small margin where colors and images extend beyond the edge, preventing any white lines from showing after trimming, and the safe area, where all your text should stay so nothing gets accidentally cut off. Once guides are set, hide them with CMD or Ctrl plus semicolon, and take a look at your design as a whole. Is there enough white space? Do the elements feel balanced and uncluttered? Don't worry if you need to adjust. This step is all about tweaking until it feels just right. Finally, save your file as a Photoshop PSD to keep all your layers editable. Then export a high-resolution version for printing, like a PDF or JPEG. Printers will thank you for the clarity. That's your complete step-by-step guide to designing a professional photography business card in Photoshop. I hope this tutorial helps you create something you're proud to share. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials like this one. Happy designing!